Hello my dear students, I am Dr. Ranjana S. Ranade, subject medical expert in pathology at MEDACE with a decade of teaching experience in pathology and a special interest in medical education as well as in renal and transplant pathology. At MEDACE, pathology is systematically divided into different areas starting from general pathology, systemic pathology, hematopathology, blood banking as well as clinical pathology. All have been covered in 50 hours of comprehensive lecture videos which are very crisp and are of high yield quality. We also offer 900 MCQs which includes both the new MCQs as well as PYQs which are at recall, comprehension, analytical and problem-based types. We also have special features in the form of workbooks as well as flashcards. A fun element in our app is Faculty Connect, which makes your learning enjoyable. We do offer live sessions as well as doubt clearing sessions. A special highlight is images, both gross images as well as the microscopy images. We have a dedicated section for that, and you can play with numbers under the concept of immunohistochemistry. Again, we have a dedicated section for that. MEDACE is a one-stop solution for all your doubts and the knowledge that you want to have in pathology. MEDACE offers a wonderful ecosystem for the budding doctors till the postgraduate students in its amazing content. I'm sure you will enjoy this. Let's embark this beautiful world of pathology along the path laid down by MEDACE. So why a delay? Happy journey.